golly, I got a fun one for you guys today. You have seen this one before, so you will definitely recognize it when you see it. But this is one beautiful vehicle we get to do a video on today. All right, everybody, you guys might recognize this one from the muffler wrapping contest. This was last year's winner in the muffler wrapping contest, and today I got my buddy Ken with his beautiful truck. What is this?
It's a 1967 Chevy.
1967 Chevy picking 'em up truck. Wow. What all of you got it from your uncle?
Bought it from my uncle. I had Twisted Metal. They had their own color choice on it. I gave them whatever rates they wanted to do. They killed it. I think they did a great job.
Awesome.
I had Class 1 do the engine, which is a 454, all chromed out.
How many?
Around 590 horse.
Nice.
Yeah, I built it for my wife. You know, she got tired of my car, so we built her own.
All right, and who's this young lady sitting next to me?
This is my daughter, Alexis.
Alexis, all right. All right, so
I had a lot of help with this one. My really good friend Jeremy, he helped me build almost all of our cars, and this was probably one of our top ones.
Awesome. And what did it look like when you bought it?
Not much of anything. It was blue and white. I've got some old photos of it. Body needed to be put together. Basically came in boxes.
And so you
been done from the frame up.
Frame up, and this is one heck of a frame up restoration. Got all the door handles shaved off. You got it lowered. Oh, it's a beautiful, beautiful truck. That paint combination is gorgeous. All right, let's see what this engine looks like. I want to take a look at this bad puppy. See what she looks like. And of course, she's got clips, so he does it from the front. Oh, wow, this is a beautiful truck. And we lost Ken, so we'll see you in just a second. Wow, now that is an engine. Now what is this? You said it's a 350?
454.
Oh, 454, I'm off. That is gorgeous. And you had all that completely redone?
Yep.
And put in there? How many horse?
590 horse.
590 horse. That on paper. That is a lot of ponies. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous engine. Look at that profile. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. Beautiful truck. So yeah, let's take a look and see what this thing does going down the road. Listen to that thing scream. So you said you chromed out the inside?
Yep. Chrome steering wheel.
This thing is loud even on the inside. Wow. And look, crank windows. Those are the fun ones. So there we go. Let me get that down and let her warm up a little bit. 590 horse. Wow. Is this street legal?
We'll keep that between you and I.
We'll keep that between us. It's plated. That's what matters, right? That's all that matters. You can drive it down the road with a plate. Wow. Just idle speed on this. And this is an automatic, huh?
It is an automatic.
Very good. Easier to drive.
Wiped out the unlike stick right now.
I have to teach my wife how to drive a stick, so that should be fun one of these days. All right, we're lining up. Oh my God! Wow, just in the driveway. It's a good thing you live in the country, huh? Wow. I'm okay. You might have to clean your seat.
No, sorry, it's leather.
I might have piddled myself a little bit. Wow.
Wake the neighbors up a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Well, at least we had a beautiful day for taping this.
Oh yeah, because it's been rainy and it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and the temperature drops back down into the 30s, and today it's what, 65 or something like that?
Yep.
Beautiful, beautiful day. All right. That was a whole lot of fun. Try not to run over Alexa or end up in the pond. So yeah, see you in a second. So how long have you had this?
I think we're going on about 2.5 years. We worked a lot of late hours.
Okay.
Late hours in the garage. And every one of the family is chipped in.
Even Alexa.
Yep.
She's got some wrench time on her too. How many hours do you have building it?
I would say between all of us, we probably have a good 600 hours. It's pretty easy to hit, I think.
600 hours. That is, and it's
Well,
well
there's a
worth
lot of
it.
drinking in that.
No, yeah. Yeah.
Do it straight.
Yeah, you can't do it all straight. So there's, 490 hours of drinking, and the rest is on labor, right?
Yep.
Absolutely beautiful car. So make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.